Hi, today we'll try to attempt the intervals questions from the latest ABRSM syllabus, which is the online version. And it's still 10 marks for this question, but you have 10 questions instead. Start with the first question. This is question A. So you have B to F, B to F. The distance would be a fifth, or 5 plus 7 is a 12. So the two possible answers are here. Then you follow by assuming that it's a B major where F comes with a sharp. So B to F sharp is a perfect fifth. And then you reduce the step to F natural, so it's a diminished fifth. And then if it's a fifth, then it comes with a compound because it's more than an octave. Or this one, just call it a diminished 12. Okay, a compound diminished fifth or a diminished 12. So this would be the answer. Next, here we have A flat, here we have E flat. Okay, so this is question B, A flat to E flat. So the distance would be also a fifth. So in A flat major, E is radially flat. So this is a perfect fifth. And this is the answer. Next question. This is G and this is F flat. G to F flat. Let's start with the distance. The distance would be G to F. Okay, G to F is a 7th. Okay, or plus another 7, it's a 14. So in the options given here, there are 3 7th, but no 14. So let's see which of this is the answer. In G major, F has a sharp, so this would be a major 7th. So when G to, this is a major 7, G to F natural, this would be a minor 7. So F natural reduce another step to this would be a diminished 7 to F flat. So it's a compound diminished 7th or a diminished 14. Compound diminished 7th. This would be the answer. Okay, so now it's 4.2. Circle the type of each interval. Here, let's see, this is F sharp to E flat. 4.2, A, F sharp to E flat. So let's begin with F major. E is a natural, so this is major. So F to E flat, you reduce a step, so it's a minor. And therefore F reduce a step and it goes up to F sharp, then it's a diminished. Next question, A to F sharp. A to sharp. In A major, F is naturally a sharp, so this is a major. C. D to A sharp, D to A sharp, and D major, A is a perfect, and A sharp it's increase the step, so it's an augmented. So here you can see that the first one is a diminished. Question 2, it's a major. Circle, okay, major. Question 3, it's an augmented. Write the notes to form the named intervals. It should be higher than the given note. So here we have G flat, and we'll look at it from G major. A major 6 from G would be E, and then when G reduces a step to G flat, then you reduce your E as well to get the same distance. So here we have E flat, which is a major 6 from G flat. Next, we have B flat. So in the key of B flat major, D is a major 3rd. So augmented is to increase a step from that, which is to add a sharp to your D. And that will make it an augmented. Next we have C sharp and a minor 7th from C sharp. So we'll begin with C major. B is a major 7th from C major. And when you reduce a step by adding a sharp, then you get a minor 7th. Final questions. We have a minor 2nd from E. So if we look at it from the E major scales, then F comes with a sharp. When we reduce the F sharp to F, then it will be a minor 2nd. So that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video with paper B. Bye!